Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn speech about Doctor's Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Geetika. Today is National Doctor's Day. It is celebrated on 1st July in India. Doctor's Day is observed in India on the birthday of Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy. He was a great doctor. He was a great doctor. Doctors helps us when we are sick. They work hard to make us healthy. We thank all doctors for their care. We should respect the doctors. Thank you. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye. I'll see you again in the next video.